In today's fast-paced world, having versatile kitchen tools that can save time and effort is essential. This MasterChef Immersion Blender handheld with electric whisk and milk frother attachments stands out as a powerful, multifunctional device designed to simplify a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're an experienced home chef or someone who enjoys the occasional cooking session, this blender promises to elevate your culinary creations with ease. Let's dive into an in-depth review of this impressive kitchen tool. As an official product of MasterChef, a popular TV series known for its high culinary standards, this immersion blender is backed by a reputation for excellence. Designed for both professional and home use, this hand blender combines robust functionality with sleek aesthetics, ensuring it not only performs well but also looks great in your kitchen. The MasterChef Immersion Blender features a sturdy stainless steel construction that ensures durability and longevity. This is not just a blender that you'll use occasionally and then shove into the back of a cupboard. It's built to stand frequent use, making it a reliable companion for daily cooking. Professional-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle a range of ingredients, from soft fruits to tough vegetables, making it incredibly versatile. One of the standout features of this blender is its 3-in-1 functionality. The set includes 3 interchangeable attachments: blending wand, an electric whisk, and a milk frother. This versatility makes it an indispensable tool in the kitchen, allowing you to switch between tasks seamlessly. Blending wand. The Immersion Blender wand is perfect for making soups, smoothies, sauces, and baby food. Its powerful 400 watts motor ensures that even tough ingredients are blended smoothly, without lumps or chunks. Whether you're making a creamy tomato soup or a nutritious green smoothie, this attachment delivers consistently smooth results. Electric whisk. The whisk attachment is ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, and preparing batters. Its stainless steel construction ensures it handles even the thickest mixtures with ease. The variable speed control allows you to whisk at different speeds, ensuring you get the right texture every time, whether you're making fluffy meringues or thick pancake batter. Milk frother. The frother attachment is a game-changer for coffee lovers. It easily froths milk, lattes, cappuccinos, and other coffee drinks, creating that perfect silky foam that elevates your home-brewed coffee, cafe quality. It's also great for frothing non-dairy milk, which often struggles to foam with traditional frothers. This 3-in-1 capability not only saves you money by eliminating the need for multiple appliances, but also saves precious kitchen space. With the MasterChef Immersion Blender, you have all the tools you need in one compact device. Cooking is an art, and like any artist, you need the right tools to achieve your desired results. The MasterChef Immersion Blender offers variable speed controls that allow you to adjust the blending speed according to the task at hand. Whether you need a gentle stir or a powerful blend, you can easily switch between settings to get the perfect texture. The ability to control the speed is particularly useful when working with delicate ingredients that require a light touch. For instance, when blending a soup with fresh herbs, a lower speed ensures the herbs are gently incorporated without being pulverized. On the other hand, higher speeds are ideal for breaking down tougher ingredients like nuts or fibrous vegetables. This feature makes the blender suitable for a wide range of recipes, from silky soups and sauces to chunky salsas and dips. The dual speed setting gives you the flexibility to tackle different food types and textures, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. One of the most significant pain points with kitchen appliances is cleaning. The MasterChef Immersion Blender addresses this issue with its easy-to-clean design. All 3 attachments, blending wand, electric whisk, and milk frother, are detachable and dishwasher-safe. This means you can simply pop them in the dishwasher after use, saving you time and effort. The stainless steel construction of the attachments ensures they remain rust-free and stain-resistant, even after multiple washes. This durability is essential for maintaining the longevity of the appliance, especially if you use it frequently. The electronic part of the stick blender, while not dishwasher-safe, is easy to clean with a damp cloth. This ensures that you can keep your blender in top condition without worrying about food splatters or stains. Another feature that sets the MasterChef Immersion Blender apart is its ergonomic design. The blender is lightweight and comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, even when your hands are wet, making it safe and easy to use. Its compact size also makes it easy to store. Unlike traditional blenders that take up significant counter space, this handheld blender can be neatly tucked away in a drawer or cupboard when not in use. This is particularly beneficial for those with small kitchens or limited storage space. The detachable attachments also contribute to its compactness, allowing you to store the blender and its components separately, further saving space. The MasterChef Immersion Blender isn't just for smoothies and soups. It's a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of culinary tasks. Here are some of the many ways you can use this blender in your kitchen. Soups and sauces. Blend soups and sauces directly in the pot without the need to transfer hot liquids to a traditional blender. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of spills and burns. Smoothies and shakes. Create delicious smoothies and protein shakes in seconds. A powerful motor ensures that even frozen fruits and ice are blended smoothly. Baby food. Prepare healthy, homemade baby food with ease. The blender's precision allows you to create the perfect consistency for your little one. Baking. Use the whisk attachment to prepare batters, whipped cream, and beat eggs. The variable speed control ensures that you get the perfect texture every time. Coffee drinks. Froth milk for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. The frother attachment creates cafe-quality foam, adding a professional touch to your morning coffee. Dips and salsas. Create chunky or smooth dips and salsas with the blender wand. The dual speed setting allows you to control the texture to your liking. This versatility makes the MasterChef Immersion Blender a must-have tool for anyone who loves to cook and experiment in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or an elaborate dinner, this blender has you covered. In conclusion, the MasterChef Immersion Blender Handheld with electric whisk and milk frother attachments is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen tool that can elevate your cooking experience. Its 3-in-1 functionality, combined with a powerful 400 watts motor, makes it suitable for a wide range of culinary tasks, from blending soups and sauces to frothing milk for coffee. The blender's ergonomic design, easy maintenance, and variable speed control further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and reliable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this blender offers the performance and convenience you need to create delicious, professional-quality meals at home. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, the MasterChef Immersion Blender is an excellent investment. Its durability, versatility, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.